Sige na, sige na. Ano po, magandang umaga po. Kami po ay Class A. Kami po ay grade 11. Name niya restaurant. Tanong lang po namin, company name of establishment.
Company name of establishment.
Right. Tapos address.
Address.
Babae po.
Hindi.
Ayun naman.
Ang ano pa? Address. Ayun. Barangay.
Itong bar.
Kasi na ba yung nature one?
Nature of business.
Yun. Stage tayo po.
Stage po. Dito po sa number 1, what are the different ways for customer and or suppliers to contact you?
Ano eh, meron kaming direct supplier. Tapos si supplier, sa office namin, sila yung nagdadala dito. Wala kami na yun. Okay, ito po.
How often do you use a phone or cellular phone for a business estimation? How often do you use a phone for a cellular phone for business?
Paano yung magamit?
Opo.
Kano kadalas?
Opo, yun.
Madalas, minimute. Yeah, kasi pagka may customer, yan, demo namin yan.
Anong oras mo ba yung pagka-demo?
At yung demo, minsan tumatagal ng 1 hour yun. Sa demo lang.
So paano bang para?
Pag-demo namin, bawat specs ng phone. Isa-isa namin yan, hanggang battery, internal, chipset.
Does your establishment have internet connection? If yes, what is it? What is its purpose? If no, would you consider having it in the future? Why or why not?
So dito, may internet kami. So gamit namin is, dito, smart. Ayun, ginagamit pa rin namin.
Pang-apat na sir. Meron pa. Does your business have website? If yes, how does it help the company? If no, would you consider?
Wala kami website eh. Wala kami FB.
Would you consider giving free Wi-Fi access in the future? If you already have it, does it have a boost say?
Dito, tawag dito. Wala kaming free Wi-Fi. Pero sa SF kasi mayroong free Wi-Fi. 2 hours. Kaya nakatulong naman sa amin yan. Tapos pagka magde-demo, wala kami internet minsan. Ginagamit namin yung free Wi-Fi.
Sige po, salamat po. Maraming
Salamat po,
Sige, sir.